The heck is this? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Jasmine and today's tutorial is on how to make Christmas inspired succulents. Or succulent arrangements, I would say. I think that's what you would call it, yeah. I wanted to drag my summer succulents, spring succulents to Christmas with me. I don't know why I did that, but you know, I just dragged them with me. I was like, you're gonna be festive today. So I made them festive. And who doesn't love succulents, to be honest? They're super cute, easy to take care of, especially the fake ones. You know, that way you don't feel so bad when you kill one that costs you like $4 to $5. That's like the size of this. But yeah, I think I'm just rounding at this point. That being said, we can just start the tutorial, and a lot of the materials I use are from the dollar store, Michael's, and thrift shops. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, let's get started with project number 1. Here I have my floral foam, and I'm going to be grabbing my succulents and arranging them to the way I would like. I started from the middle and then from the outer corners. And to top it off, I am using my hollies and putting them on the outer corners of the arrangement. And once you're content with your arrangement, go ahead and take out your faux snow in your glass jar. I actually got this jar for $4 at the thrift store, which is quite a steal, but of course I'll link down below where else you can find them. Go ahead and place in the arrangement after putting in some snow at the bottom, and sprinkle some snow on the top like Salt Bae, and add as much as you like. And next I am putting pine cones. I feel like it just gave a more natural look, and for some reason pine cones are associated with winter and Christmas. I'm not sure why. If you know, comment down below. I'm pretty curious. And then to top it off, I added a red ribbon for a more festive look and a pop of color, and that is it. Super easy to make. You can add in fairy lights, candles, make it a smaller one, bigger one, whatever you like. Project number 2. Here I have my ornament that splits into 2, and I have my succulent. I am seeing if it is not too big for my ornament, because if it's too big it'll be too crammed inside. I cut off the stem, but not too much of it because I'll be using it later to put inside the floral foam. And on the sides I put in some holly berries, and I'm going to be securing it at the bottom of the ornament so it doesn't move around. And then once that's done, go ahead and pack some snow little by little, and I decided to add one more holly berry because I thought it just gave it more of a fuller look. And then to top it off from the inside, I put in some snowy pine cones and just shook it around to distribute the snow. Once that's done, go ahead and put in a ribbon. I used red to give it the festive look. And I forgot to film it, but I also added a mistletoe at the top. And that is it. Super simple. Project number 3. So for this final project, I decided to use Terra Cotta Pots, and I'll be painting them in blue and gold. You can use any color you like, of course, and ribbon of your choice. I'm going to be using this sparkly ribbon that matches the blue, and it's going to be gluing it on the corners of the pot. And adding this cute little snowflake I got at the dollar store. And then grabbing my floral foam and a succulent to put inside. And this part's totally optional. You can add some white paint at the tips of your succulent to give it a snowy effect, but I decided not to since I like to use my succulents around the year. And for the gold pot, I'll be repeating the same exact steps as the other one. I'm going to be gluing a gold ribbon on the top of the pot. And it'll look like this. And I'm placing a floral foam to secure the succulent, and to add weight to it, I'm going to be adding some white rocks that I had already. And I forgot to film again, but I topped it off with some snow and a mistletoe. And that is the final project, and look. And with that being said, I really hope you guys like these projects, and if you do recreate them, feel free to tag me on Instagram at jazzyboot_. I would love to see what you guys make. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy holidays. Okay, no one asked. This is dry shampoo. That's what I get for being crusty. I messed up.